Hello everyone, welcome to another video in our Cloud CTF tutorial series. Today we're going to cover how to add users to your Cloud CTF environment. So we can go ahead and click Start to jump into our CTF, and we're going to go over to the Admins tab here at the top. Within our Admins tab, we're going to click on Players. And just a quick note, if you already had some students enrolled in your CyberRange course, they'll automatically get imported into this players page. Since I'm using a test environment here, we only have that one user, and we don't have any additional students automatically imported. But what we are going to do is we're going to add a new player specifically to this CTF environment. This doesn't necessarily add that student into your CyberRange course. This is just specifically for the CTF itself. So all we have to do is click on the plus symbol here at the top right, and we're going to give the student a name. We can go with test player, and we're going to go ahead and paste in their email, and we're going to want to give them the role of CTF player since we don't want them to be able to control the scores of other students or anything like that. So we'll go ahead and confirm. And what this will do is it will send an invitation over to the student, and they will be able to join the CTF from that invitation. And you see that here it shows that we're waiting for the user to accept the invitation. So that's really all there is to it, to adding a new student. Look forward to other videos in our Cloud CTF tutorial series, and we hope to see you there.